Hello everyone, welcome back to Conceptia Konnect tutorials. If you are a SolidWorks user, you have already unlocked most powerful cloud collaboration tools. Today we'll discuss about our user-friendly dashboard and community in a 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Let's explore the dashboard together now. Dashboard is a digital workplace where you can gather, view and manage everything in one place. It consists of multiple tabs and widgets, which can be customized and organized based on your roles and requirements. It acts like a control center to your ads and data.
Log into your 3DEXPERIENCE platform and open the cockpit list. Click on Add Dashboard as shown in the video. Choose one of the following options. Empty dashboard, if you want to create a dashboard from scratch. Dashboard from template, if you prefer using a predefined layout. Name your dashboard and click on Create. Rename the tab based on the data or the content. You may also add new tab for the additional applications. Drag and drop the required apps onto the dashboard and adjust the widgets. Now, invite or welcome other users on the platform to access the same dashboard as shown. Your dashboard is now ready. You can access all your tools and information with a single click.
Through this dashboard, we can avoid the hassle of switching multiple tabs. Now let's quickly discuss about our collaboration expert 3DEXPERIENCE community. 3DEXPERIENCE community acts like a social network for your team or the project, where you can share your ideas, post updates, do surveys, and share the task as well.
Go to the 3DEXPERIENCE compass and select the role 3D Swimmer.
Search for the 3D Swim app and open it. Click on New Community and enter the community name and description and click on Create it. Scroll down to explore the available options. You can now add other users for communication and task sharing as shown. It brings everyone on the same page to share knowledge together. And that's how easy it is to innovate and collaborate with 3DEXPERIENCE community and dashboard. With your personalized workspace and communication hub, your entire team will be connected, aligned and informed no matter where they are. Explore, collaborate and unlock the power of teamwork at your fingertips.
Reach out to us to build your company-specific, customized 3DEXPERIENCE dashboard and communities.